It's up, my friend Tasche here, and I want to thank you very much for coming to check out my Easy Magic Video review. Now, Easy Magic Video is a brand new video software from Todd Gross and Matt Bush, and it's being released under their Easy Video brand. Now, you may have heard of the Easy Video brand, maybe even bought software within that brand. Last year, they released Easy Review Videos underneath this brand, which is a huge hit. In my opinion, Easy Magic Video is going to take video production and take it to a whole new level. You see, what the software will do is it'll take real human spokespersons and allow you to control what they say. Now, we've seen software in the past that allows you to do this with animated characters, and those videos produce very high conversion rates. Well, imagine how your conversion rates are going to change and increase when you have real humans saying what you want to say in your videos. The only other way to do this will be to hire a spokesperson out of pocket, and you'd be paying hundreds to even thousands of dollars per video to have this done. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go over the sales page real quick in this video. Then we're going to go into the members area. We'll do a demo of the software. Then we'll talk about the front of product and the one-time offers, the upgrade options you have. And then we'll talk about some bonuses I'll be giving you when you grab your copy through my link, okay? So on the sales page here, you can actually read all the, and learn all about the software here on the sales page yourself. I don't want to spend too much time on it. One thing I do like to see, though, is when I'm reviewing a product, I want to see that the sales page conveys exactly what the product is and what it's going to do. Okay, and they do a great job of that on here. I also want to see that the people behind the software, the vendors, the creator, are actually going to stand behind it. So with this software, they're offering a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for some reason you don't like the software, whatever the reason, just go ahead and just let them know, and they'll get your money back within 30 days. Okay. So now let's go ahead and dive into the members area. And if you've bought any of the other Easy Video products, all you have to do is when you purchase Easy Magic Video, use the same details as you did with the other products that you purchased, and you can get them all within this members area right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And once I log in, I'm going to go ahead and click on, and you always make sure you can watch this video here, welcome video. It'll explain the whole concept of the entire suite. I'm going to go ahead and click on create video. And I'm not actually going to do it. I'm not going to do my demo myself in this video. I'm going to actually turn it over to Matt Bush and have him show you how to use the software, because he's one of the creators of it, and he does a better job explaining exactly how it works, a lot better than I could. Okay. So, and then of course you just click on Easy Magic Video to select it, and then you're in. And then of course right here, depending upon which option you choose when you purchase, you'll get a select number of spokespersons to use. And one of the spokespersons you get is, of course, Todd Gross. Todd Gross being the most highly paid and most well-regarded video spokesperson in the internet marketing niche. People pay him thousands of dollars per video to do videos for their products and their launches. You'll be able to use him in an unlimited number of videos for a one-time price when you pick up your copy of Easy Magic Video today. So with that, let me go ahead and turn it over to Matt, let him do his demo, and then I'll be back and talk about the front-end product and the OTO. So with that, I'll be right back.
Hello, this is Matt Bush, one of the creators of Easy Magic Video, the world's first and only way to make videos with actual spokespersons where you control what they say line by line. I'll be your guide today as we take a closer look at how to use our software. First, I want to explain how all this works. You see, our software is loaded with literally thousands of clips featuring spokespersons saying things one sentence at a time. Using our software is as easy as scrolling through all of the script options and choosing what you want. As you select each line, the software builds them into complete script. When you're done, you simply read over everything, make sure it's to your liking, and click render. That's it. Here, let's go through the creation of an actual video. We start by choosing a spokesperson. The software includes 5 different choices. We feature professional male and female spokespersons and even offer someone with a British accent. And of course, we have the greatest spokesperson of them all, Todd Gross. You can see that I can now build my video by simply selecting the lines that Todd will say. It's as easy as scrolling through and just clicking. Let's start the video by having a fantastic introduction. Next, let's add something to make sure that they stick around for the whole video. In order to make sure our video transitions well, it's important to have different versions of each clip. Whenever we choose a line, we also need to select how we want it to be presented. Because we want to make sure that your video looks as amazing as possible, we suggest that you switch between viewpoints to really create something truly compelling. Each clip can either be the spokesperson right in the middle, the spokesperson zoomed in, the spokesperson to the left with text on the right matching what they say, or just text on the screen. You can see that we have so many options on what our spokespersons will say. We even have hundreds and hundreds of options for you to create videos that you can sell to local businesses, like locksmiths and real estate agents. Once my script is set, I can easily reorder the lines, delete them, or add new ones. Here, I'll end with a fantastic closing. I can also add a background behind my spokesperson. Our software comes with many choices, and you can also add your own. You can even add your own video backgrounds if you want. I can also add images to a specific clip if I want. This is very useful if I want to create more of a contrast between clips. I can also add a musical soundtrack as well. I can select one from the included library or add my own. And of course, I can also make a special closing to the video where I can type in the text that I want to appear. I can also add my own intro and or outro clips to the beginning and or end of the video, if you have software that specializes in those. Once I save my template, it's in the system and I can go back and edit it later, use it to create a different template, and so forth. This is really helpful since you don't have to redo your project once you've created it. Once I have everything to my liking, I just click render and the system goes to work. Remember, because this is cloud-based, there's nothing to install. We create the video on our servers. In just a few minutes, my video is complete and I can download it. In the members area, we show you how you can upload it to YouTube, Facebook, and so forth. And that's it. Easy Magic Video allows you to create your own professional spokesperson videos, where you truly control what the spokesperson says. Paying to have a spokesperson is so expensive, and this is like having several on standby just for you, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And with the included over 2,000 clips, you literally have thousands of options. You can learn more about Easy Magic Video below this video. Thank you for watching.
Okay, so hopefully that demo showed you exactly how powerful the software is and what it can actually do. Now let's talk about the front-end product and the OTOs, because like every product in the IM niche, this launch is going to include several upgrade options that you can take advantage of to enhance your usage of the software and then of course enhance your results. So the front-end product, of course, is the Easy Magic Video software, and that's being really started out at $27 start out, and it's going to go as high as $37 during the launch. Okay, that's of course is the world's first truly customizable human spokesperson video software built by marketers for marketers. Now, after that, you have the first upgrade, the first OTO1, the first option is Easy Magic Video Deluxe version. Oh, and by the way, before I continue on, with the front-end product, you're actually going to be given a commercial license, so you can actually use this software to sell videos to your clients. Okay, so that's a great bonus right there. But getting back to the first OTO, it's the Easy Magic Video Deluxe version. And that's going to give you 2,000 additional video clips, plus backgrounds, plus more music to use for your videos. The second OTO is the agency upgrade. That's a by the way, $47 one time, for the first OTO. OTO 2 for the agency upgrade is $67 one time, and that gives you a pre-built agency website plus 1,000 more clips to use to help you sell your video services to clients. Okay, so you can actually make your money back on the software really quickly. Okay, if you choose to upgrade to that. The third OTO is the Easy Magic Video Local. That's a one-time $67 upgrade that gets you 2,000 additional clips specifically for marketing to local businesses. Okay, so if you get a restaurant or a plumber or an auto shop local in your community, you can actually create videos for them, okay, and then of course sell them to help their business. OTO number 4 is the Easy Magic Video Club. Now that's a $19.95 per month option, and that gets you monthly clips based on member suggestions, trending niches, hot topics, and more. So you become a member of the of the monthly club, you can actually request to have videos made specifically for whatever niche you're in. Maybe you're into the stamp collecting niche. Maybe you're into the auto niche. Maybe you're into the martial arts niche, fitness niche, the gaming niche, whatever it is, and they'll create videos for you based on your suggestions, so you can use those to create videos for your specific niche. Okay, so now that we've gone ahead and gone over the upgrades options, I want to talk about the bonuses that I'll be giving you. Okay, when you take action, you grab your copy through my link. So first of all, the first set of bonuses I'm going to talk about are bonuses that are coming directly from Todd and Matt. So no matter who you purchase this from, you're going to get these bonuses. Now I have an additional bonuses that are of very high value that you're going to learn about here in a second. But the bonuses that you're going to get, and these are going to be inside your members area when you log in. Okay, you're going to get you'll get Easy Magic Video background images. That's the first bonus. That's 15 background images to add to your videos. You're going to get some video backgrounds. You'll get 10 of those additional bonuses to add to your videos. You're going to get a bonus of lower thirds. That's 10 lower thirds that you can add to your videos. Now, of course, lower thirds, if you don't know what those are, if you take a video and you divide it into 3 sections, the lower thirds usually where they put the branding or the logo. Okay, you get 10 of those to use for your videos. You're going to get some video outros. You're going to get 10 of those. You also get a business card template, so you can print out business cards and pass those out offline, of course, and use those to sell your video creation services, right? So basically, when you purchase Easy Magic Video, you get a whole business, okay? Not just a video production software. You're going to get a complete business, complete video production business, okay, for these one-time price. You're also going to get some additional music tracks as a bonus. That's 100 additional bonus video tracks, royalty-free, of course. And all those are going to be added inside your members area for Easy Magic Video. Now, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be giving you an additional bonus that I think you're going to really love. What I'm going to give you, okay, is you're going to get a collection of, get this now, a collection of 746 4K Ultra HD stock videos that you can use as video backgrounds in Easy Magic Video. You can use them for even in any other software that you use, of course. But imagine what you would have to pay to have not for just one 4K stock video, okay, covering multiple topics, of course. But imagine what you would have to pay for over 700 4K videos, 4K Ultra HD videos that you can use for your video production. And as you can see, we have several topics that you're going to be getting videos in. What I've done is I've added the name of the subject and, of course, the number of videos. So we have these are aerial here as basically some aerial photography where videos were taken from above. We have animals, animation, backgrounds, beach, birds, businesses, cars, cats, dogs, drink videos. Editor's Choice is a collection of different topics. Videos of fireworks, foliage, food, fun videos, and such. These are all videos that are perfect for backgrounds or for any other usage. Lakes and water, rain, rivers, slow motion videos, videos of snow, space, sports, and sunsets. Okay, you're going to get all of that, plus in addition, an extra bonus is you're going to get master resale rights to all these videos. So you can actually take these videos and resell them if you want to. Okay, so not only are you getting a full business and a full video production software with Easy Magic Video, you're also going to get these videos here plus the ability to resell them if you wish. Okay, so in closing, what I want to do is I want to talk about the pros and cons of the software, because no software is perfect. No product is perfect. They've all got their plus and minuses. They've all got their pros and cons and their flaws. So with Easy Magic Video, what I've done was I rate products based upon 4 criteria: price, concept, execution, and value. Okay, and it's a rating of up to 5 stars. Okay, so I gave Easy Magic Video a 5-star rating in price, concept, and value, but only a 4 in execution. Now, here's why. The video creation is very easy in the software, as you see in the demo. However, the only issue I have is that you can't preview the videos before you render them. Okay, so as you see here, the pro that I've added is you can use real human spokespersons in your videos and control exactly what they say. Okay. The con is you cannot preview the videos before you render them. That's the only thing. Will they change this? I'm not sure. But that's really the only thing that I see that's actually a con. The rest is, the rest is great. Okay. That's the only thing I see that they need to change is to allow you to preview before you render the video. Okay. But all that being said, all the pluses, they outweigh the cons. No question. So, guys, the software is launching. It's actually launched right now as I'm making this video. It's launched on May 14th, 2018 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, and the launch is closing on the 19th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Okay, now here's the thing. The price is going to go up during the launch, so the earlier you get in and grab it, the better. Okay, that's the better. You got to get the lower price. The bonuses are only going to be available until the launch closes. Okay, once the launch closes, the bonuses are gone, and most likely the price will go up, and it may even go to a monthly price for the front-end product. Okay, so best thing to do is to make sure you grab your copy now and secure it while it's at $27. Don't wait till the end of the launch, and don't wait past the launch because you may not be able to get it at all, and you probably will be paying a lot more. Okay, so with that, guys, Kurt Tasche. Thanks for watching very much. Again, make sure you click the button or link down below, grab your copy, and make sure you secure your bonuses as well. And with that, guys, I will catch you in the next video. See you soon.